Dear students, I am Lokanayaki from Trinity Academy, Namakkal. Today we are going to discuss about 7th zoology, unit 5, basis of classification. In this topic, the organisms are classified or based on the backbone and body temperature. Now you are going to discuss about what is classification. The method of arranging the organism into groups is called classification. The animals are classified or based on the backbone. It is divided into two main divisions. One is vertebrates and another one is invertebrates. Vertebrates, vertebrae means backbone. Vertebrates have a backbone. Invertebrates have a no backbone. For example, mammals, birds, fishes, reptiles, amphibians. These are examples of vertebrates. Then invertebrates means there is no backbone. For example, ant, scorpion, earthworm, spiders. These are examples. Animals are classified into is based on the body temperature. It is vertebrates are divided into two categories. One is warm-blooded, another one is cold-blooded. Warm-blooded means the organisms does not change the body temperature to the suitable environment. Example, mammals, birds. These groups of organisms does not change the body temperature and maintain constant temperature. But cold-blooded animals they can change the body temperature to the suitable environment. Examples, fishes, reptiles, amphibians. These can change the body temperature to the suitable environment. These organisms are called cold-blooded organisms. Then invertebrates divided into two main divisions. With jointed legs, they have jointed legs, and without legs. The with jointed legs divided into two divisions, with 3 pairs of legs and with more than 3 pairs of legs. See the diagram. With 3 pairs of legs have ant, cockroach, ladybug. These have 3 pairs of legs in the outer surface of the body. Then another category with more than 3 pairs of legs. See here, scorpion, spider, millipedes, centipedes. These are examples. Next category, without legs. These animals does not have legs. Example, worm. It is divided into worm-like and not worm-like. Worm, worm means body is made up of collagen material. It looks like a worm-like structure. Example, earthworm, leech. Then non-worm-like example, fluke worm, tapeworm. These are examples. The next, the animals are classified into based on the category, based on the backbone. One is an vertebrate, another one is an invertebrate. Now we are going to discuss about the general character of invertebrata. General character or general features. The invertebrata divided into 9 phylum. All the organisms are classified and identified and giving a name of a animal. Carl Linnaeus, he is give a name and give a binomial name of an organisms. He classified the basis of a phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Generally, now we are going to see the topic is invertebrata. Invertebrata does not have a backbone. In this phylum, divided into 9 groups, 9 main division. The first phylum is phylum Protozoa. See here, phylum Protozoa. These group of organisms all are unicellular organisms. Examples: amoeba, euglena and paramecium. Now you can see the general character. They are all microscopic organisms and unicellular organism. Unicellular means the organisms are made up of single cell. Pseudopodia, flagella and cilia for locomotion. Pseudopodia is a leg used for an outer surface of the body. It is used for an locomotion. Flagella are used for in a euglena. Cilia are used for a paramecium. Then they can reproduce by fission or conjugation. Fission is a method of two nucleus are jointed, then divided into two. This is called fusion. Conjugation means the conjugation organisms have a conjugation tube. The nucleus are moved with and joined within another body. So this method is known as conjugation. The next phylum is phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Pori means pore bearers. These are all the outer surface of the body is known as minute holes made up of many holes. So these are called Porifera or pore bearers. These are all multicellular organisms with holes in the body. The outer surface of the body is modified into skeletally appearance, that is known as spicules. It is the hardest substance. It's a minute spine-like substance. Asexual and sexual reproduction occurring in organisms. Asexual means there is no sex. They are individually reproduce. They can reproduce with the young ones. Then sexual reproduction means they are male and female separated. Then they can fuse and form a new individual. These are in sexual reproduction. Example: Leucosolinea, Spongilla, Cycon. Next phylum is phylum Coelenterata. Coelenterata means coelomic cavity or originated in this phylum. What is coelomic cavity? Digestive body wall, inner side of digestive tract. The digestive tract are originated in this group of organisms. Example: hydra, sea anemone, jellyfish, corals. General character of Coelenterata. Multicellular organisms are diploblastic. Blastic means germ layers. Diplo, die means two germ layers are formed in this body wall. Then sessile means grouped or free living. Solitary means individually or colonial. Colonial means group of all the animals are grouped and living together. Then sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction occur in this group of organisms. The next phylum is phylum Platyhelminthes. In these groups of organisms are parasites. What is parasites? The parasites are inside the body, live inside the body or animal body. Human body and the animal body, they can suck the energy and utilize and doing a growth development. Then acoelomate, this group of organisms are acoelomate. Acoelomate means absence of coelomic cavity. In these organisms does not have a coelomic cavity or does not have a body wall or digestive tract. They are parasite, live inside the body of animals and human being, mostly hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means bisexual organisms. Bisexual means they are the male and female reproductive part locate in the same body. Can see, for example, earthworm. Earthworm is a hermaphrodite animal. Next example is planaria, liver fluke, blood fluke, tapeworm. The next phylum is phylum Aschelminthes or otherwise called nematoda. In this organism, all are unsegmented body. Unsegmented means the body is a worm-like structure, look like a worm-like structure. Most of the worms are mostly parasites in the human body and animal body, inside the human body and animal body. They are causing diseases. For example, ringworm. Ringworm is caused by a human being. The organisms have a asexual reproduction. The next phylum is phylum Annelida. In this group of organisms have a segmented body. Then triploblastic. Triploblastic means 3 germ layers. 3 germ layers are formed inside the body wall. Mostly they are hermaphrodite and unisexual organisms. Hermaphrodite means bisexual. Bisexual means male and female are present, male female reproductive organ present in the same body. So these are called bisexual organism. Example, earthworm, nereis, leech. These are examples. The next phylum is phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda means they have a jointed legs. All have a segmented body, thick chitinous cuticle forming an exoskeleton. The outer surface of the body is made up of chitin. It is a hard substance. It is attached within the outer surface of the body to protect the inner part. Then paired and jointed legs. See here, crab, prawn, millipede, insects, scorpion, spider. These are for another example, cockroach. All the insects are including in this phylum. All the insects have a jointed legs. So these are have a jointed legs. They have a unisexual, exhibit sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism means different character. So male look like a different from female. Next phylum is phylum Mollusca. Mollusca means soft-bodied animals. Soft-bodied animals they are unsegmented, and muscular head and muscular foot are attached and in the visceral mass. Visceral mass means body. Mantle are covered with an outer surface of the shell. The cells are made up of calcium carbonate. So, these are called calcareous cell. The sexual reproduction are occurring in this group of organisms. Example, cuttlefish, snail, octopus. The next phylum is phylum Echinodermata. The phylum Echinodermata, echino means spiny skinned organisms. In this group of organisms are exclusively marine. Marine means it live in a salt water. The outer surface of the body is made up of spines and spicules. Over the body, water vascular system. Water vascular system is a tube-like structure or attached within a inner part of the body. The tube feet are attached within a water vascular system with the help of feeding, respiration, locomotion and excretion. Then sexual reproduction are occurring in this group of organisms. Example, starfish, sea urchin, beetle star, sea cucumber and sea lily. Thank you, students.